Hi, I'm going to be talking now about the 6 questions in report writing that I find very helpful in my report writing, and I want to just show them to you. Legal nurse consulting involves analysis of the facts of medical litigation. By using the questions as a framework, LNCs can determine the facts of the case. I use who, what, where, when, why, and how when I'm writing both the introduction and summary of a narrative medical analysis in my reports. So let's look at them. Who? Who is the plaintiff or personal representative? Who are potential or named defendants? Who are the treaters and others involved in the medical malpractice event? What? What happened? What led to the event? What occurred after the event? When did the event happen? Where? Where did the event occur? And why? Why did the event happen? This is a crucial question, obviously, because it refers to the causation, one of the elements of medical malpractice. If the event resulted from a deviation in the standard of care. Nurses aren't generally involved in causation, the physicians are, but it's always good to know why. You'd always want to know when you're reviewing a case, why the event happened. How is another one. How old was the patient at the time of the incident? How did the event happen? How did it affect the patient? Okay? So I'm going to go through here. Here's examples. Here's a few sentences of an introductory paragraph so that you can get an idea of how to use these questions. Who? Mr. Dennis Grundy was 60 years old when he died on February 13th, 2006, after being treated for a week for influenza at Cherry Oaks Medical Clinic. What? He had returned to that clinic due to breathing problems, collapsed in the elevator, and that tells you where as well. And he died despite resuscitative efforts by clinic personnel, paramedics, and staff at the emergency room at Lake Michigan Health System. Why? An autopsy performed by the medical examiner revealed that Mr. Grundy had ruptured diverticula, which led to peritonitis and his death. According to his wife, Susan Grundy, she heard from a friend of a friend who works at Cherry Oaks Medical Clinic that Mr. Grundy's resuscitation was a comedy of errors. Why and how? She was told that there was a new type of CPR that only one person knew how to perform, but that person was overridden by the physician in charge, Dr. Donna Malera. So this gives you a little introductory paragraph and a good overview of what happened in the case. And using the 6 questions helps to lay out very simply in an introductory paragraph, which is always difficult to start out your report. Okay, so I hope that this helped.